Welcome back to Limassol Greens, where progress continues with purpose and the vision becomes more vivid by the day. This month, we begin with exciting developments at the driving range. Shaping is well underway for what will be a state-of-the-art facility featuring TrackMan technology, bringing the future of golf to your fingertips with unmatched precision and performance. Just steps away, the Clubhouse is nearing completion. With its sleek silhouette now fully formed, interior finishes are advancing quickly. This iconic hub is on track to open its doors this autumn, ready to welcome residents, players, and guests to relax, connect, and celebrate. In our residential areas, Robin Apartments West are now being beautifully landscaped and will be ready for delivery by the end of the month. Meanwhile, Robin East is not far behind, moving closer to completion with every passing day. Elsewhere, our villas are progressing steadily, crafted with care, surrounded by nature, and built for a life of ease under the Mediterranean sun. A major milestone has been reached with the Ibis Townhouses, which are now fully completed and planted, ready to become vibrant homes in the heart of the resort. And on the golf course, the momentum is undeniable. Work is in full swing. Bunkers are now filled with fine white sand, the last tees are shaped, and final holes have been grassed. Trees and lush planting are being added, transforming the landscape into a championship-level course of beauty and challenge. From fairways to footpaths, rooftops to resort spaces, Limassol Greens is coming alive. Nestled just minutes from the city and the sea, Limassol Greens is more than a golf resort. It's a fully integrated lifestyle destination, thoughtfully created for those who seek beauty, balance, and belonging. This is Limassol Greens, a destination, a community, a lifestyle, and it's almost here. Stay with us. The best is yet to come.